Hello again there my friends. Welcome back to Exploring with Carl. Exploring with me guys, where I'm bringing you with me on a hotel review. The Hilton Hotel in Liverpool. Stay with me guys. I'm bringing you with me guys. We're going to score it out of 10 based on cleanliness, staff, location, room, everything. We're going to include everything. I want to rate it out of 10 and I want you to help me.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now.
Very nice size room. Nice TV. Some cups. Kettle. Got some coffee, some milk, some tea. That's nice. Storage. Could do a bit of lighting in there, but good size, quite safe. Got a fridge. Plenty of hangers. Let's have a look at the scenery outside. As always. Got a lovely bathroom. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. Lovely bath. As you can see, lovely mirror, a separate shower. Wow guys, we're back. What can I say? For me, it's got to be a 10 out of 10. I couldn't fault it. Couldn't find a single fault with it. Staff were friendly, excellent, always there if you need them. Room was spotless. Perfect location. I just couldn't fault it guys. Let me know what you think guys. If you've stayed in the Hilton Hotel in Liverpool, let me know your experience by dropping it in the comment below. As always guys, it's been a pleasure. Please stick around, see my videos I'm uploading recently. As always, guys, if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. Let's help this channel grow. Let's get out there. Let's make some more adventures. I want you to join me on those adventures. As always, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's free. As always, guys, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next one. Bye.